All right, explorers, story time. Row! Deep in the big green Amazon jungle, I lived in a super cozy tree house with my mom. Birds sang, fireflies blinked like tiny stars, and I loved reading under the glowing moon. One day, Grandma gave me the best gift ever, a bright red hood. "This is your adventure hood," she said. I spun around, feeling like the bravest explorer in the whole jungle. That morning, Mom packed a basket with warm, yummy tapioca pancakes and sweet fruit. "Take this to Grandma, but stay on the safe path," she said. I nodded real big. I skipped down the path, humming, "Doo-dum-dee." But then, whoa! I saw the prettiest butterflies ever. They fluttered into the trees. Just a quick peek won't hurt, I thought, and followed them. Suddenly, bam! A tall, sneaky wolf popped out. "Where are you going?" he asked, smiling all weird. I told him about Grandma, 'cause sharing is nice. He grinned and ran off super fast. Then, I looked around. The trees were taller, darker. The sounds were different. I wasn't on the path anymore. My paws got all tingly, and I ran back fast to Grandma's house. When I got there, something felt weird. "Grandma, your eyes," I said. "To see you better," she answered. I blinked. "And your nose?" I asked, feeling confused. "To smell the pancakes," she said. But then I saw the big mouth. "Is it to eat me?" Then, pow! The door burst open. A wise Amazon guide stood there, waving his staff. The wolf yawned so big and fell asleep. "Goodness always wins," the guide said. And guess what? Grandma popped right out. That night, I hugged Grandma tight. "I should have listened to Mom," I said, "but I learned my lesson." And from then on, I always followed the rules while still having the best adventures ever. Wow! What an adventure! This was my story that I created using my platform. Ask a grown-up to help you find the Yuna app. You can create your own adventures where you are the hero with me.